Hey, Dr. Shaw. I'm going to be talking about a minor conflict that occurred between my wife and I. And to give some perspective, this source of conflict has been somewhat of a recurring theme with us. So, my wife has a different approach and strategy in regards to time management than I do. She sees how I manage time and sometimes questions whether I'm using my time as efficiently as I could be. She confronted me about this and expressed what she was feeling. And initially, I felt frustrated, annoyed, and a little angry because my pride was hurt a little bit because she was telling me something that she thought I wasn't doing well. So I had to get past that initially and kind of move on from that. And to interject with my results of the conflict management style quiz, I had three styles that were equally preferred, and they were avoiding, harmonizing, and compromising styles. And then I also scored very high in the collaborating style. In this instance, I didn't avoid the conflict. I didn't just stay quiet or walk away, but I was able to stay and really listen to what my wife had to say, and we were able to collaborate together. And I was able to express how I was feeling and my thoughts on the situation. And this really helped to uncover the root issue as to why the conflict came about in the first place, and discovered that me how I managed my time did influence it, but it was really the fact that when I don't manage my time wisely or efficiently, then I am not able to spend quality time with my wife, which is really what frustrates her and is disappointing to her. So we were able to discover that, which was really good, and then we were able to kind of compromise, and I was able to say, I know I can do better, and I can be more intentional about spending quality time with you, and have that as a break from my schoolwork and prioritize spending time with you. So it really being able to resolve the conflict was very helpful and helped to strengthen our relationship and restore the harmony of our marriage. And I think the ability to resolve conflict will be very important and helpful in physical therapy. And in one of the articles we had to read, it talked about how conflict is inevitable because everyone is different, and we each have our own unique personalities, beliefs, values, needs, desires, and like the list goes on and on. But and these differences can really cause conflicts between people. So when conflicts occur between me and my future patients, if I'm able to approach it in a healthy way and collaborate with my patients and be open to what they have to say and be willing to express my views too, but not in a condescending manner, but in a respectful way. And yeah, being able to compromise and harmonize together and come up with a good solution in a way to move past the conflict, it will really strengthen the relationship I have with them and develop mutual trust between us, which I think having a relationship that's founded on mutual trust will really improve the rehabilitation process for both the patient and myself, and they'll be more receptive to the strategies and therapies that I come up with, and they'll be more I'll be more trusting of them and knowing that they're going to work hard to get better, and ultimately it will improve the outcomes of the therapy process. So thanks for listening, and I hope you have a great weekend.